What are the steps to sell your device using LaptopNuts? On the main page of LaptopNuts, use the drop-down menu or the Smart Search Box feature to find your device's model. Once done, hit the Continue button right below the Smart Search Box. Specify your gadget's cosmetic condition and answer a few simple questions. Indicate battery health, included components and accessories, issues with the screen such as cracks or dead pixels, or any other issues you know of. Fill out the contact form, including your name, email, phone number, and mailing address. Choose your preferred shipping and payment methods, such as company check by mail, Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. We process the payment within 24 hours once your device is delivered and processed at our facility. We'll provide you with a prepaid label to send us your device. Simply print it out and attach it to the packaged item. If you need help packing your device, check out the video on how to do it properly.